Hey guys, how we doing again? Welcome once again to Sophie Love Lifestyle. Look at this man with his door all outside, all out on the road. Man opened the door and the door is all out in on the road. Just waiting to cause an accident. Because I'm in London again, I'm going to a barbecue. And I'm not sure if the barbecue is still on because I'm late. Anyway, let's see. Yes, I'm going to a barbecue, guys. One of my friends' barbecue. So I'm about 33 minutes away. I'll be there soon. Yes, coming all the way from Warsaw. So guys, what I go on? I hope you guys are good. Sorry for not looking in the camera. I have to be looking at the lights. You know the thing going to London, isn't it? I don't know how the thing going to London. You know? So I have to make sure so my eyes them on the road. And guys, it's 20 miles an hour when you as soon as you reach inside London. You can't drive no faster than that. So that makes it even worse. I'm a bit late. But we're getting there. Better late than never, isn't it? You know, black people never on time. Well, some black people, not me though. I'm always on time, guys. I'm just late today. Yes. So we're in London City, but you know, because it's 20 miles an hour, you have to crawl. So it takes you a while to reach your destination. When you reach in London, everywhere, guys, in London, it's everywhere is 20 miles an hour. Yes. I'll show you what I go on, guys. This is what I go on, Pantapa, what I go on. So guys, I hope you guys are good. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're enjoying your bank holiday. Yes, guys. Today it's bank holiday in England. Yeah, we call it bank holiday. It's like a public holiday. I'm all alone, guys. Yes, nobody with me today. All alone. All alone. No one at all. Only, you see at the back, no one is there. Me alone coming. My daughter said she's not coming with me today, guys. My husband have to go to work tomorrow, and I promised to come to this barbecue. So I said, okay, let's go. Let's go. And I hope them not eat half of food because I'm late. You know, in the summertime, guys, you just want to get out of the house, isn't it? Because in the winter, you know, really get forgotten away, you know. So you have to just, you know, try and just do the thing. Some money across the road. Run out of the road. 20 miles an hour, guys, and everywhere you see sign.
In a quarter of a mile, use the second from the left lane to merge onto Piccadilly.
Second from the left. Wait a minute, right there. Second from the left, yeah. To merge onto Piccadilly. So guys, this is it. We're almost there. We are 17 minutes away. Not long to go. You see? Not long to go, guys. 17 minutes away. So I'm in the heart of London, guys. If you can see the people them. So if you're coming in the daytime, you'll have to make sure that you don't come in the city because you'll have congestion charge. You have to come anytime after 6 o'clock. So anytime after 6 o'clock, guys, you won't pay. But anytime before that, in the center of London, in the city, the West End, you will have to pay the congestion charge. Yes. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go. And then
in 100 yards, turn right onto Thirlby Road. Turn right onto Thirlby Road. Take the second right onto Rochester Row, B324.
And we're 12 minutes away. 12 minutes away, guys, so we're not too long. Yeah, when you're driving, guys, make sure you stay in your lane. And if you stay in your lane, you'll be fine, you know. You just make sure you hold your lane.
Gotcha.
What?
Turn up, sir. Are you
I'm
on?
I'm alone come at Maris. I need to pay now come. No, and Luana says she don't come. Maybe just hit the motorway.
Yes, eh? So I'm to Pops.
Pablo say for work tomorrow.
Oh, early, man.
She can't come earlier than this. Then tell you. Wow. Go on. We'll be like it's so big.
It just reach home, but I'm burning. I'm sure come from me. I'm not afraid.
You're alone for the motorway.
You're alone.
You're alone, I'm glad. Granny, walk on. You're good. You're right. Wagwan.
About her.
Hey, papa.
I thought the name was Yayo.
Wow. You never know me come. You're down there, tell I'm alone, come down. Wow, hey, Nigel, wow. Hey, me just come. Anita said, Lona said she don't come with me, brother. I'm probably sending my work tomorrow as if you don't come. Oh, yeah. Eh, Luna? Luna, don't go out. She don't want to come. Well, go on. Nobody wants to come. Eh? How is it going? Is it going well? People are selling, buy. That's good. Wow, my friend. You're good? So what will be in camera? We didn't have it on. What make? If you make your hand go. So okay, let me pick one. So how do I pick? How do I know I'm picking? So I don't see nothing moving.
Huh?
So guys, I'm with my niece. We reached at the place, as you could see, and I'm in this room now, and we're playing a game. And I'm hungry and I'm starving, guys. And she have me in here playing games, and I'm really hungry.
The Nintendo Switch.
Yeah, and that's my little Nai over there. She's on her holiday. Nai, say hello.
Oh.
Nai. Nai.
Say hi to the camera.
Nai. What are you eating, Nai? Oh, it's pretty. So what's wrong with your mouth? The cat's got your tongue. I like your earring. Your earring is very pretty.
Okay, we're gonna start the race now.
Okay, we're ready now?
Yeah. Ah! I paused it.
Why you pause it? Because I'm winning. Because I'm winning.
No.
That's cheating, you know.
No. You're in 9th place. I'm in 7th, so you're not even winning.
Why have you taking me around in circles? Come on.
You're going the right way.
Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm winning, guys.
No, you're not.
I am.
I'm ahead of you.
I am.
No, if you want to use these, wait, let me show you. Let me pause it. If you want to use these, you press this. Press that one right there. You don't need to press anyone. If you want to use like the things, so you hold it, then you go like that.
Okay. So press this one. Use this one.
Yeah.
Look, this one.
No.
No, listen. This and that one.
No. So this is what you use to drive, right? And if you want to use those stuff in the corner, you press this. You press this one.
Oh, I see.
See? Oh, did I help you? Let me help you. Okay, now I'll go. You're in 12th place. That's last place.
I'll take care of you. Go on, Jelly. I want to be here if I can be with you. Go on, Jelly. Go on, Jelly. Can't sing, man. Wow, Jelly, that was beautiful. Wow. Oh, man. One more. Run the rhythm, Jelly. One more. Run the rhythm, Jelly.
Okay.
Jelly, I never know you have such a lovely voice, honestly. I didn't know.
Okay.
You have to look at the X Factor, Jelly. I want to go to school.
DJ King James.